farming without spending a dream come true. For many farmers, the cost of farming keeps rising. Seeds, fertilizers, and pesticides are becoming very expensive. This makes it hard to earn a good living. Can we imagine a way to farm without spending so much money? What if there was a method that used nature's own resources? This is the idea behind zero-budget natural farming, or ZBNF. ZBNF is a ray of hope for farmers. It is a way to grow healthy crops without expensive inputs. It is a way to protect our earth and our health. Zero-budget natural farming is a way of farming that uses natural methods. It was developed by Subhash Palekar, a farmer from India. The idea is simple. We can grow healthy crops without using any chemicals. ZBNF relies on natural inputs that are easily available. ZBNF is about working with nature, not against it. It is about understanding the natural processes of the soil and the plants. It is about creating a healthy ecosystem on our farms. ZBNF is based on 4 main principles, or pillars. These pillars work together to create a healthy and productive farm. Jeevamrut. This is a fermented liquid made from cow dung, cow urine, jaggery, and soil. It is a powerhouse of beneficial microorganisms that enrich the soil. Beejamrut. This is a treatment for seeds made from cow dung, cow urine, lime, and soil. It helps the seeds to germinate better and develop strong roots. Mulching. This involves covering the soil with organic matter like straw or leaves. It helps to retain moisture in the soil, suppress weeds, and improve soil fertility. Waaphasa. This means providing the right conditions for beneficial insects and microorganisms to thrive in the soil. This helps to control pests and diseases naturally. These 4 pillars work in harmony with each other. They create a balanced ecosystem that supports healthy plant growth. Section 4. Stepping into ZBNF, your guide to natural abundance. Starting with ZBNF is easier than you might think. Here's a simple guide to get you started. First, learn the basics. Attend a workshop or watch videos to understand the principles of ZBNF. Next, prepare Jeevamrut and Beejamrut. Gather the ingredients and follow the instructions to prepare these important inputs. Then, select your crops. Choose crops that are suitable for your local climate and soil type. After that, prepare your land. Clear the land of weeds and loosen the soil to improve aeration. Finally, apply mulch. Cover the soil with a thick layer of organic mulch to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. Remember, ZBNF is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, observation, and a willingness to learn from nature. Section 5. Reaping the rewards, benefits of ZBNF. ZBNF offers numerous benefits for farmers, the environment, and consumers. First, reduced costs. ZBNF eliminates the need for expensive chemical inputs, saving farmers money. Next, improved soil health. The use of Jeevamrut, Mulching, and Waaphasa enhances soil fertility and microbial activity. Then, enhanced crop resilience. ZBNF strengthens plants' natural defenses, making them more resistant to pests and diseases. Also, increased yield over time. While it might take some time to transition, ZBNF leads to sustainable and increased yields in the long run. Finally, safe and healthy food. ZBNF produces chemical-free food that is safe for consumers and the environment. By adopting ZBNF, farmers can increase their profits, protect the environment, and provide healthy food for their communities. Section 6. From Struggle to Success, a farmer's ZBNF journey. Ram Singh, a farmer from Maharashtra, was struggling with the rising costs of chemical farming. His yields were decreasing and his debts were piling up. He decided to try ZBNF out of desperation. He started by attending a ZBNF workshop and learned how to prepare Jeevamrut and Beejamrut. He started using these natural inputs on his farm and was amazed by the results. His soil became healthier, his crops became more resilient, and his yields started to increase. Today, Ram Singh is a successful ZBNF farmer who inspires others to adopt this sustainable method. Section 7. ZBNF, a step towards a greener tomorrow. Zero budget. Natural farming is more than just a farming method. It is a movement towards a more sustainable and equitable food system, a system that respects nature, empowers farmers, and nourishes communities. It is a call to return to our roots, to the wisdom of our ancestors, and to the abundance of nature. Let us all embrace ZBNF and work together towards a greener, healthier, and more prosperous future for all.